So with the rear valance, I've just managed to weld in 3 small sections that were required, but it is still very thin in places, and I've just found another 4 holes that I need to rectify. So I'm just going to stop and take a step back on making any more repairs to this panel. For now, I'm going to have a little think about what I want to do. I know I've put a lot of work into it already, especially making the rear piece on the other side there, but I'm just taking back these welds, and there's also a lot of filler that I'm getting rid of that someone's previously put on there. But when I shine a light from behind, it's like a tea bag, to be honest, and this is a panel that will be seen at the rear of the bus. I could potentially cut a lot more out, especially on this bottom piece, but I'm just going to have a little think whether or not it'd be worthwhile purchasing a brand new item or not. Well, that's the result. I reckon that's the only panel I've taken off that ain't got rot behind it. So at the rear of the bus, the work continues with me trying to remove as much rust as I can. There was a small patch just up above the rear chassis leg and the heater outlet that required welded in, so that's all finished now. I'm also pour 15 in any of the new welded sections, so it's almost like a seam sealer that's going in. I've done up underneath the rear wheel arch, and I've also treated that inside where the fuel filler pipe runs through. So all welds have started to be ground down now, and it's nearly there. Just a little bit more pour 15 in to do. I'm thinking as well that I can foresee another little fight coming on. I think this is going to be a bit of a battle. I'm now thinking I want to replace these rubber bushings that pass through these rear arms. They're looking a little bit perished. I don't think that's ever been removed. I took a little bit of time getting that out, but to be honest, that bushing doesn't look so bad. Let's see what the other one looks like. Well, I guess that could have been a lot worse. I mean, most of the bolts did give me a pretty good fight, especially that last one. That's meant to be a 17mm, and I did try hammering over a 16mm socket with no joy, and in the end that was a 5/8 of an inch, which worked. So certainly wasn't as bad when Marcy was trying to get all her bolts out of the rear of her bus. I think I may as well go ahead and change them out while I'm there, and obviously while it's out it gives me the opportunity to clean it up a lot better and give it a coat of paint.